Welcome to the spotlight of the trading world. Get ready for the second annual Traders Roundtable, hosted by FFR Trading, featuring a star-studded lineup of trading legends. Join us for an exhilarating journey into the minds of the trading elite. This year, we're thrilled to welcome option trading legend Chuck Hughes, the insightful Gemini options trader Wendy Kirkland, the master of proprietary trading Joe Duffy, and Keith Harwood, the former market maker and founder of Options Mastery. Dive into an expert panel discussion with our seasoned traders. They'll delve deep into the dynamics of the stock and options markets, sharing cutting-edge strategies for 2024. Got questions? Engage in our interactive Q&A session and get answers directly from our experts. This is your chance to clear doubts and gain clarity. Looking for the next big trade? Each panelist will reveal one exclusive trade idea for the upcoming year. These insights could be the game changer you've been waiting for. And that's not all. Attendees will receive an exclusive offer, a special discount on our programs, plus an additional year of service absolutely free. Learn from the best. This is a rare opportunity to hear directly from acclaimed traders with decades of combined experience. Tailored for every level, whether you're just starting out or a seasoned pro, our webinar is packed with insights to help you grow in your trading journey. Network, connect, expand. Engage with like-minded individuals and expand your trading network. The connections you make here could shape your trading future. Mark your calendars. Join us on Wednesday, January 31st at 4 p.m. Eastern Time. Don't miss out on this landmark event in the trading community. Reserve your spot now. The second annual Traders Roundtable by FFR Trading, where trading legends gather and future strategies are born. We can't wait to see you there.